Governor of Sokoto State, Tambwal, Governor of Bauchi State, and my Dean. We're here this afternoon paying a courtesy call on our elder statesman, our former head of state. We thank you for hosting us for this few hours we've been with you. Thank you for taking time to see us. We're here as part of our consultation, going around the country talking to our leaders, our stakeholders, but in our own party, PDP. We, the aspirants of our PDP platform, are very free to come and brief our head of state on what we are doing on the issue of the consensus. This is part of the process. As you know, last week we were with some of our governors from the north, and this week we're here with one of the founding fathers of the party, leaders of the party, and people that we all greatly respect. And we believe that an exercise like this, we need their blessing and their advice and guidance. His Excellency has listened to us attentively for the couple of hours we've been here to take him through what we're doing, to share the thoughts. This is part of what I call solution providing. We're trying to provide a solution to a political process. And why are we doing that? Because we want to ensure that it is smooth, it is not rancorous, and it leads to a better Nigeria. Because at the end of the day, what Nigerians are going through, and unfortunately what we've seen in the last couple of days, let me use this opportunity to send our condolences to those that lost their lives and those who at the moment are going through the pains of not knowing where their loved ones are. It is that desire to make a better Nigeria that those of us who are aspiring to be president put heads together, that we must find a way of having a consensus so that we can reduce the number and ensure that a candidate who is competent, who has the support of everybody else emerges. And we can't do that just among the four of us. We need leaders like Babangida here to also give us their own advice, bless the process. And that's why we're here to consult. And it's a process. We will be doing further consultation. Your Excellency, we thank you for receiving us so warmly, the hospitality and your words of wisdom. We'll take it back with us and, of course, put it into our process. I thank you so much.
Your Excellencies, I want to thank you very much for this visit. And I want to assure you that I enjoyed meeting with you because I liked what I heard. What did I hear? Your belief in the unity of this country was most paramount during the course of our discussions. Your belief in having a better Nigeria featured very prominently, and you have made my day that all you talked about is Nigeria, Nigeria, and Nigeria. I want you to keep that one up for the benefit of this country and for the generations yet unborn. What you are doing is good. This is how the country should develop. Consultations, compromises, and so on. This will make a better country, and this is what you are trying to do. You will have our support as long as you stay the course of promoting Nigeria all the time, making it a secure country. I want to thank you very much for your thoughts, and I appreciate everything that you said.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.